Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a folder on Google Drive. And also, I'm going to teach you how to download a file on Google Drive. So first, you want to go to Google Drive, log in your account. Then after that, click on this plus sign under the logo of Google Drive. And then here, choose if you want to upload a file or folder. So for example, I'm just gonna show you how to upload a folder first. Okay, click on that, and then here you can see all the folders that you have, and then just choose one or any folder that you want. Then for example this one, then click upload, then upload. So as you can see here, it is uploading, and if you want to cancel it, just click cancel. You can see it on the lower right side of your screen. So sometimes it may take a while. It really depends on how many files your folder has or have. Okay, after that, your folder is done. So if you want to upload a file, again click on the plus sign and then click file upload. Then here you can see all of your file. Okay, so for example, I'm just gonna choose this one. I'm gonna click that and then wait for it. Then there you have it. This all are all your folders, and this is your files. So I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.